Meaning of Goodyear.
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 Goodyear. The word Goodyear has multiple meanings. The most common meaning is a reference to the American tire company, Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. It was founded by Frank Seiberling in 1898 and is headquartered in Akron, Ohio. The company produces tires for cars, trucks, airplanes, and other vehicles. The name Goodyear originally came from Charles Goodyear, an American chemist who discovered the vulcanization process for rubber in the mid-19th century. The term can also refer to a person's name or as an adjective meaning something that is made of high-quality rubber material.